You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And guess what? I just want to give thanks to everybody who has been supporting the movement thus far. You know what I mean? Hey, me can't stop to thank you. So if you don't think me I say thank you too much, I fool the business. But guess what? Thank you to everybody that has been pushing the thing to a different level. To the new family members, when I say subscribers, the family members was just check on, which did up on the live when I say, yo, love the movies and all them something there. Hey, I appreciate you. Welcome on board. You know what I mean? To the day oneers, you know what I mean? The ones that's been here from a long time. I mean, long time. Respect and manners and thanks for the support. You know what I mean? As me say, whether a phone call, whether a text message and them something there, I appreciate all of it. All right? So guess what now? This one is called Sleepover Drama Episode 2. You know what I mean? Give thanks. And as me say, big up Marika, Spence, big up the new actors, them, as me say, yo, them are Guan, J, no, what I say J, Tavia, and Jody, you know what I mean? I don't know, Poppy Dan, respect and manners, bro. I highly appreciate it because, you know what I mean, it's one link, coloring book, you know what I mean, as them say, for the people. So we are doing it for the people, you know what I mean? So family, we say, and the thing has, stretched to a different dimension, respect and manners. So guess what now? Me go tap it chatting, because me think me chat too much and make gonna watch the movie, right? See ya.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yeah. They say I won't make it if they can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you. Jah run my soul. Yeah. They said I wouldn't make it 'cause I love my own lifestyle. Oh no, I couldn't fake it. I'm too real and that's my style. Can't fit in, I will stand up. Now drop no standard just for please ya. Soon you are go hear the youth from south so high. They said I wouldn't make it, trying to put me under mind control. They said I wouldn't make it if I didn't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you. Jah runs my soul. They said I won't make it 'cause I
So why so me in a room a while ago and you say you want to lay down and you in a room and lay down and know you come out and want to sit down. I want you follow back at me. Yeah what? You a shadow? Eh? What no, what to you? Cause that face look like you have a lot to say.
We not talk about something other day.
Talk about what?
We mean talk about what?
What we talk about? Talk to
You
me.
see, every time we talk about something, you always figure about it. When I tell us someone it's why we take a vacation.
You know what vacation means?
What do you mean by that?
Vacation is something you take after a long period of work that you do and you accomplish everything and you feel like it's time now to go spend some time jump in a one pool or go a beach or take time off of work. Me can't take time off of work. If me take time off of work right now, we dead for hungry. Is that the one?
No, but I not like say for long 3 days and I go kill her
3 days,
2
not
days.
true. The day them when your damn cousin then come here and come disturb the damn place. See? Then come and then one, you said, say one, them are missing. You remember you told me one of them missing?
Yes, one of
And
them.
then me left from yes and we go up on the road and search for her like say, we lost, we shadow. Tired and everything and come back, you know. Me not understand why is it you not understand say everything have to do in a sequence. We can't go on a vacation now. You hear me?
What you say? Listen, I just can't bother with all of this. I can't bother.
What do you mean you just can't bother with all you can't bother? What you can't bother with?
Every day me day a yard. I want to do something.
Yeah.
I want to go out with you. Every day you're gonna work. When you're there, you're there on your phone. If you're not there on your phone, you watch TV. If you're not there watch TV, you're living in your room with book or do God know what.
Speaking about TV, you hear what going down in that food little turf?
No what going.
You're not gonna know what going because the only thing you do I watch TikTok and something there. One most wanted boy active in the western region. And police all over the place. We don't never hear the heap of siren and heap of roadblock. If you listen right now, you can hear a siren. Roadblock and sit there go on.
So that affect me and another my family them.
And your family, I'm sure. So it only affect you when your family involved.
Yes.
I say go. Alright, I understand you. Well done. Well done. What me I tell you say is that boy just so rough out sometimes. And a young boy too, you know. Young boy most wanted, do all kind of things. Do this thief, this
so
rob, this scam, this. What do you mean? So me I tell that for alright.
That not affect me.
I see, not sure.
Yes.
Long and short of it, I tell you straight and plain, the vacation thing can't go right now. So you have to give me some long time for that.
What kind of long time? One more time no want.
Money. Time is money, money is time. You put time for money, you still get money. Because time is money.
But me tell us that me can put towards it too.
Me know when you put towards it because your money you put towards my money. What if something go on and we need little money? Your money and backup money, you know? So when you done the backup money, what go on next?
Me too negative, not go on.
Me too negative, not go on. Not go on. You laugh.
Stop.
It's sweet you.
So my niece call me.
Your niece?
Yes. Give me a minute. Hello?
Your niece call you.
Hello?
Auntie girl.
Yeah.
You know some still can't find Jody?
Nah, Jesus. So you know call her and so forth?
Yeah, call her phone. I'm still not getting no answer. I'm still worried, you know.
Boy, I don't understand what this.
Alright, let me tell you the truth. But I'm going to beg you a little bit, but I'm going to tell you the truth. You ready for it?
What kind of truth that? Go ahead. Me hear you.
When I bring my levels and I know, say, which part me and Jody when I stay at the rent house. And we now walking and then the rent just bank up and we say people them giving notice and when we out.
Mad.
Right? But we still when I eat up looking bit, but we start fret because me I say, when I want to land that consent, police power if you come for lock because we go around money I was still in our place. So that's one of the reason why we didn't want to live at your yard in a car really if we didn't plan to come to live at your yard.
Live at me yard?
Yeah, but your man a run away.
Awesome. No.
Back a country because that's a real reason ever. Most people don't get the slippers never last, but we use that as excuse.
And I know you feel like you confess all of this?
Because we think you ain't going to tell you the truth and know you never did go take we in.
Mood take on in, but mood follow and go rent somewhere else.
But we never have no money.
But mood help you know.
Jody gambler feel like with him big foreign.
No, Jesus. Me not even no officer right now. Try call Jody. Continue try call her and so me I try call her when me ready to.
Oh, come just say go ask if you now go call Jody too.
No man, me call her when me ready, me call her.
Alright, so we can't stay here.
No, Tavia, no.
Ah, Jesus, she still tell me no. You can't put look soft in your heart and sign for your niece them.
Me have soft. Oh Jesus, you know say you know want good somebody. Me help out to know what the one more help. If I did for me place, you know that alright, you know but enough for me place.
If me never want good somebody auntie, I know see your bias too.
Nah, Jesus.
I never did want good niece to you, you know. Me would tell her to the man about your back and me see it yesterday night, you know. And I tell her if you left the dirty man because the man a bust your back. Oh, me on a good niece now.
You know, so you don't know nothing about my relationship.
Hey, a full time you come here, man. Come in the room.
That man a bust your back.
Miss call back.
Come on,
Later.
I hear the truck.
Yeah, come, baby. Alright, later, yeah. Hey, what? What do you? What do you? What do you, Tavia? Oh, Jesus. So I cannot left him, man. The man run your time, please? Lord. Me I go talk to public and see what more say here. Alright then. Miss will call her back. No, me no want to say nothing. Something. Me say me go call her back. Me go call her for true. Jesus Christ. Miss will call her back. You hear? Alright. You know, sir, you may just get a call.
Call me for what do?
Come here, I want to talk to you.
Eh?
Come here, I want to talk to you.
Anything you want to talk to me? And about the vacation thing again.
Lord Jesus, no, me feel so like a vacation.
Yes.
Well, I know that more I talk to you about. You know, don't tell me a pre about that already, so anyway, Tavia just call me a baller.
Which Tavia?
Please.
I was trying to make a short one. I next little bit taller one.
A taller one. Remember, say Jody can't find.
You think that she actually called you? Come here say, oh, congrats to find her. So up until now, you don't find her?
No.
Much day gone now? 3 days?
3 to 4 days.
What we need to do is just maybe just go report it again, and you can get that information out to people who don't know about it. You understand?
Yeah.
So what?
When we get to it, I want to talk to you about you and find different topic. You have a bad style.
You have a bad style?
Yes.
We just don't want to hear nothing about them. That is my problem.
Don't raise a voice at me. You always do that. When me and talk, you always want to go up in the ceiling.
I'm talking strong. I'm not raising my voice.
Well, stop talk strong to me. Listen to me now. Tavia call me a ball, right? And she say, a man where she talk to, a man they beat her, and a man want her to come out of her house, so she want to come up here and stay for a little time.
Come stay for a little time.
Please, no, me just don't want nothing to my niece.
No.
Just help me out, no.
No. This is not a place of rest. It's not a refugee camp. This is not a refugee camp. You understand me? I say, home is seat, them have place of a country. Not true?
Yeah, but you know, up a country now have no flush bathroom and then sitting there, they not go and go back up there. So
I don't.
just
Yo.
everything me ask for you say no, just give me the one flavor, yeah. Please, me I beg you. Please.
2 days. 2 days, cool off, and then they find a way. The second day, they try to find something for them rent or something. Me no plan to take care of family.
You gonna
like
give
that.
me money?
Hmm?
You gonna give me? Shouldn't have that.
Then have some of your vacation money.
No,
Hmm?
I can't do that.
Let me say can't do that. So you know what?
You don't want to go on vacation with me, but it's okay. It's okay.
No, me make a
man.
I try show you say the vacation we are try broken for. There's a lot of things that has to get done just the same way. So nobody go on like say a vacation alone. Money can spend on right now, but we don't have it. And now you have to tell me say she will come here. So you say they really can't find a little one?
They can't find her.
So who will look for her? Police will look for her?
Yeah, police, then the old one.
So who last year? That's the next thing.
I don't know who last year.
So what? Alright, that is it then.
And we are last person here.
We? Don't say that. Don't say that because police can come for me and say we are last witness.
But so we are last.
Hey,
I feel we us then left out.
And so what? And so what?
Well, me they don't tell them say we us last then left out. Then me go make a report.
Alright, listen to me say. What you need to understand is make she come for 2 days and that's it. Me can't maintain nobody else, yes sir. You understand? Me not have no picnic, yes sir. And all them something there because me choose not to. Because me know so picnic expensive. You understand me I say? So understand why me have be so hard for them not to come stay and live here and come broke us.
Me understand what you are saying.
Well, if you understand, let me this and them. I'm hungry.
When we not cook it, yeah, go wait till the next 1 hour, half an hour. Hello. David. We need to talk. About what? When you say you're going, because guess what? You know my man stay already. You know say he no want to already. And other day a drama where you put on boss a Jody Ghana or something. In face you plan. Cause you don't want to go.
You know, say every day more and more I look at you, I say the man really a bust your back for you. I know see a change because look into it. You own a blood. You own a blood can't find. And all you come and tell me about your man. You don't have nothing on your heart for your family? Your niece? We want to grow together? You come and tell me about your man? And I want a dirty place full of cobweb. You can't just sit down. But anyways, you know what me I say?
I don't know what you say. Because I say if me never care about Jody, I would take fear side and go out there go look for Jody other day. You understand? Me tell her if you call her, you not get her. What you want me to do again? We got a police station. What again me to do?
No, tell me.
Stay somewhere. Where?
You want me to go?
Listen, you say if I did my place, me not have no problem. But I know for me place stay here, you have to understand.
That's why I know say yam out because you see them the auntie when me know find them time there. You just shut him two back, blah 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 long time. And I say, yeah, auntie girl.
Listen, hey, relax. Things and time change.
And the man a bust your back, we know that.
Alright, you know what?
I just start, oh Jesus God. I know what I just because I have Jordan in my heart right there, so.
But you see me time of day if you done, you have to go.
Fine, me try make 2 calls, but not see if me can still get to Jody, but me make you know any local thing if me hear.
Yes, anything let me know wow.
Just tell him to give me till later. When me go to me I just call one of my dirty man that did look me for a long time and just catch and was say for now.
I really like the idea.
No man the gov man.
But
he's a thug.
He's a thug. That me like okay.
Yeah. Can you still remember for your place?
Tavia,
Me good man.
I want you to understand me. As an auntie, I do nothing to hurt none of it one. Each year we grew up together. We eat out of the same pot. We use the same bathroom. We sleep in the same bed.
So why you left out
Why
the power
you-
wear the same drawers? Me go and make 2 calls still and see me get
Really and
2.
truly, if I leave my place, you can stay as long as you want. But I'm not from the place. And every minute I'm in an argument over it, and I can't take it.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, if you know nothing, just
Me
leave
shout
me.
you, man.
Yeah, man.
Jody, this Jody?
Yes.
Where did that little girl?
I want.
You really and truly ask me where you know say you gone from how long but there now. I make you people them a try run me and me there they beg for you. Stress out right now 10 pounds me lose already, you know. Me not even there eat.
I couldn't 15. Girl, I'm good. One. Wait there.
Same place where you left me when me figure. You see me I know you figure.
Hey, come down straight. Come down.
Yo.
Girl, come.
You out the door?
Yeah. Oh, what the 10 more dear?
Alright, me a come. Shh.
Yo, call her back and make sure know so we're not falling to her upon forward.
See her come. Look again, where did they?
Me did there with my man.
They with your man and you know say people them are running for the place. I have me up there to wait for you. And I worry.
See me here now.
We need to go up, you know. We need to go up.
Okay.
And auntie go cost little bit. But we have to go up because auntie them are worry about you.
You are up there, may I go to you know?
Yeah.
Where you go?
Me say up there, may I go that me say. Come on. I don't know you move like a friend.
Hey, shh. You can't for me. You see man miserable if you tap in eyes.
No man, you come here to talk, you know, me can't silent. You mad? Come in along.
We not trouble, you know.
You watch it up. Make me a sandwich. Alright, now me on hungry table.
I feel place. You chat about alright.
Girl.
You know Anthony miserable man turn already. You mean alright?
You know my man can already.
Sorry, phone in at this, you know.
You run things around.
I'm sorry, phone in at this.
How for the energy? Pause it.
What? No,
Take
over
out
man.
it. Take out it.
Yum for years. Boy. I'm sorry, phone.
Pause it and put it.
How you deal with it?
So wait man, hold there.
Man, go cussing now. Hey.
How old is it?
I want to go on out here.
How old is it?
Auntie.
And what you do with my man drinks?
How old is it?
What you mean, Omi?
But
Hello.
You know dead?
No, I'm resurrect. I have attitude, Panta. I'm so free with that cute.
Tavia.
And the man does presumptuous. I mean, I tell him, see a man miserable and in there.
No, quiet. Shut up. And why you let them in my house? Huh?
Me tell him if you don't come in, say him a bad man.
Hello, me tell you something. You're not coming to my house, come here and drink and feel like say, I saw you go. Me tell you something. Me not care if you're bad. Me not afraid of you. That me I tell. Oh, me not care man come at my place. Eh?
Watch out, listen to me. I say, you're a woman, so God on yourself. I don't want to do you. You want me to tell her? Or
Tell me what?
You tell them.
I hear what you say. My woman tell me say, on our family. So me I go really see if you know a family for true. But then I want a situation right now where we can't go to do not all. So we have to stay here, so. You understand? So we just want to stay here one night. So what after? Be a pass back plate.
Oi! Relax! Hey, you can't come at my place and go on like you want to come bad me up.
Yeah,
Bad man or not bad man, me not care. Come out of my kitchen. Oi! Come out of my kitchen. Because you come here and go put me in a problem right now. If me see one police come and me do a step me and send it to one out there to them. You feel say I drop me and make? Awa! Come out of my kitchen too.
Yeah, watch on babe. Go for you play on the soccer. Like she don't know say my badness loud like cartel concert, you know. Seven bag of cement. Four.
Babe.
Yeah.
You know say Jody come back.
What?
But this time she come back with one man. A while ago me go there so Mr. Jody I give man crackers and your boom. When me buy
My boom?
Yes, your boom.
No, hold on. You're a joke. No, tell me say I really joke here, man. Cause there's no way Jody we claim say something wrong with and missing. Just appear with man in a filming place. That don't make no sense. Right now, I think you're mad. I think you're mad you lose it.
You really feel say me a mad?
After, so what else can be the case then?
You know something I like your style, you always do then something and I'm not like that about you, you know.
So me can raise a voice for me? Eh? What me can raise a voice for me?
No, not raise me, but me
so
angry, you don't understand.
Angry for what? I'm not supposed to angry. You can't go on like say, me there so now I try to sort out the little building sin thing and you're coming angry, aggressive and you come tell me say Jody come back.
Me I tell you what happened out there, so you
So which man out there? Which man out there?
I think they say name Puppy Dan. Yeah, where you freeze for?
What do you mean by Puppy Dan? Where my phone?
Me don't know where your phone them saying.
Why look? Hold on.
He fat and he short and he black and he hair flat up.
Jesus.
One more description you want.
This morning me get up, I never know the situation I reach me. Jesus, pity me.
I'm
one of the most wanted man right now in Jamaica.
So?
What you mean say so? You don't understand what I say a while ago? Most wanted hour. Eh? You who always just watch social media and watch news. You know, top watch TV news, that's true. Top watch CVM news. You know, not what going on Jamaica no culture. I be a foreign thing on the pan, that's true. This is me tone my voice. Which part in the house?
In the heart.
In the heart?
Yeah.
So what's the plan? Why must I tone?
Like.
Go on, first thing, you body him up?
Of course.
Girl, hey, what you mean say body him up? Body him up like how?
Go up in their face and put him in their place.
You see you don't understand life, you know?
What do you mean by that?
You don't understand life. And not until one of them reach you, you go understand life. You
who go give me that?
Man, I don't mean no.
Oh!
But me I say you have different people with different strokes. So you have to understand and know what go on. This a man I tell you say in dangerous, in deadly. You have one type of people that surround him and young man. So I don't know why I do you so right now.
But he say I want to spend one night.
One night, that's alright now.
What you mean that alright, young man? You can't make him stay in the house and him a criminal as that.
Me a man.
Me no want no criminal in my house. Next thing police come and me do a step can't tear it down. Me no want him here.
Outer. Police can't tear on your doorstep and then inside, you know. Your doorstep. And you live to see many more like a happy birthday. What you prefer?
Many more like a happy birthday.
Exactly, so just shut your mouth and work the situation. Give him some more boom. Go around there and make him know say him good for one day. Lock my door when you go through that door there. You're laughing. You understand what I'm going on? Young boy don't understand. Go through the door, lock him back. And when you lock him, You just stay out there, so. Make sure say everything alright. Call me on my phone. If you have a problem, send me a text message.
So you not come out there?
Come do what?
Are you no? I me have the balls.
Today.
Me can't believe you just said that to me. And you always a rush me and go answer with me. And today you give me the balls. Well, guess what? Me can't go worry. Me can't manage the balls. Me don't know nothing about balls.
Well, you do what you do and you better do it well. Go on.
You really not come out there?
Alright, me have come out but not now. Maybe not today. But no, you understand, I walk out. Just go on, no man, and stop this stubborn.
But if...
What if what?
Jesus Christ. You think you're the man.
You know what about that?
There's something else.
Bird will fly too fast, fly past him, nest. It's a my nest, not fly.
You alright?
Yeah man, I'm great man.
Sorry about what happened earlier. I just didn't feel so I don't know you and your friends are coming at my house, you understand?
Nah, I'm all for that man, you see me?
Yeah man, what?
Come on, juice.
Yo,
Who forgive?
ease yourself.
Yeah, so you say you want to come on juice?
Nah man, my government man, you see me?
Go.
Yeah,
Alright.
I wanna cook for dinner look more.
Huh?
I wanna cook for
What
dinner.
you want?
But I eat some curry chicken with dumplings, you see me?
What you want?
Yeah. You have no rum, yeah?
Eh?
You have rum?
Oh, me I forgot get tea. Me
Alright.
I forgot. Jody, come here.
Jody good man, me there say lie down.
Baby, say give me a cup of put down.
As what?
Put this in your kitchen.
Let's see. My name's... I didn't know say I wanted man, Jody.
Me know him bad, you know. But me never know him so bad.
Most wanted in Jamaica.
You too lie. So God know.
God no. Me say a while ago me go in the room to the man. And me tell the man say somebody in our house. You know normally when I have flare up. I know with the antics and something. When me go tell him say a puppy dad, you know what man say?
What say?
We must go out the room and lock it down and we stand there so me. So me ask him if me have the bad, you know what? Tap him laugh.
So what you want me do?
What the people them say we are chat them and
Then look how the man name off me.
what is it now? Relax. Take time and talk. The man say me have the balls today.
This is really bangala.
You don't take life serious.
But look how the man name off me when we
You want to live visit tomorrow?
And of course.
Okay. I don't know how Jody she not dead. I must have that sign in the end of the ones.
But you're not the same afraid. Me not observe him, because the man say, roar, roar, roar.
So nice. Oh, but they say one night they must spend, right?
Yeah.
No, they can't spend another night. They spend one more night in there. But they don't swim them in there.
I don't want to stay one night in the morning. Go my yard.
No, you want to go your yard?
Yeah. Yeah, you're not glad? You're not glad?
I'm not glad more you stay.
I want the bad man come again. But I want the bad man bring the man to come here and get my chance.
Alright. This is my idea.
What?
You think if you call the police?
Yeah, idiot. What make you feel say a man lock up in the house one day and now come out? If you call police up at this, the whole of this,
Take the man back. Jesus, your Lord, if you look at me again, I want some come like sorry.
This man, this.
Alright,
But if you call police, girl, the whole of the place come back, thump down power, you know?
That's true.
You don't watch news. You want to watch social media and TikTok.
When
If you watch news, if I didn't watch news, that's why your man know your man not tell you.
You not tell me no. Alright, we have to go come up with a plan then.
That we need to do.
Because him can't, Tanya.
We know that.
All if Jody have to go with him, Jody have to go with him.
Make it go on.
Because me not put my life at risk for please no girl, you know.
But what we are going to do?
He's so drop asleep though.
Then what we can do?
I wonder if we can put something in our drinks, can I go give him?
Remember, say we're smart. So guess what we can do now? We can just get some drinks.
Go for your drinks, me have something.
You see if you put in there?
Yeah.
All right.
Go for your drinks.
How about that?
Shh.
Alright.
This is a bathroom city.
Aye.
So you see, you go to my bathroom until the police or something come knock on them and be hostage in my house, you know. What so my man give me balls today? Till me I go use the balls.
But like this, you see? That's not too much.
Shh.
Alright.
Why Maria?
True. Mix up, mix up. Mix up a little bit more, mix up a little bit more. Alright.
Casey.
Oh no. You know what I know my belly long already. Chop.
What that for?
I some juice we can't come give.
So me they tell us I want juice?
No, but me.
So how you come give me juice and I never tell her that?
So me can't behave so.
Never authorize you.
So,
You want it?
you want to? You thirsty? Yeah.
Hello. That be so extra I'm gonna want it. Yo, when you fall with bad man, you can't love the belly side. Love, man.
That was refreshing. But babe, what you say? I can't make this one.
I'll go away. We're good writers. So listen to me, I say. And that's how we are going to be laugh. Hopefully by tomorrow, we can jump out back on the road. You see me? Because my dog, them, come secure me and lift me up from here. So, remember the police will look for me, you know. The dog, them carry money come say do because them have my money and everything. Them man, they carry my money come give me. And then them man a liar like Sean Stamp. And a matter of fact, remember say you and the money we did for you right now, you know.
B, stop it. You didn't meet me for a morning with my long belly. I was never there work. I know I go already.
Alright, I know I'm all pretty still, but you see next time if that happen, one elbow in your face to here. But you are going, I go just normal for Mr. Black till tomorrow. You see me, you don't want to rush nor fuss. So all you hear them a cuss, then leave one gunshot to bus.
B,
Whenever they gunshot them, you're talking, you know?
still let me want the man.
Watch out! Come on. Buddy, you know, say, me feel like, say, you're not comfortable with the man you do. Buddy, God! What you eat?
Yo, don't sit down here, sir.
Bianca?
I'm here alone there, sir. Yeah, go on, so. She a bumper big.
But it kind of big for you.
But yeah, we're going to know still. You know, so from come and me for real. And I say, I may fear roll and see him easily. He said, I lift up from here, so. Just so I know, say, I have a girl like you and I can link now. Then is him.
Oh, you can't do that. I am a cousin.
So what I have to do?
What do you mean?
I have 2 on 1 time.
You can't do that.
What you like drink? I feel like a Guinness girl though.
You know, I say I pray me for you, though.
So that me I tell him, man.
But you can't do that. I'm a cousin.
I tell her something and you tell me something. Nothing that more here. Watch it. Put a number in this. Put a number in this. Go talk here.
Alright. Can I go on now?
Yeah, man, do you think, man?
Oh God, baby. I only wish that it was not even a worse enemy, trust me.
Yo, it's you now. You know, listen. I'm gonna like them the style as I may ever catch up. It's me is a street youth. It's when me I talk to you, if you listen. And I show me no embarrass in front of people, them can you know me tan. You know, see some tricksy people them a try run. You have to know yeah though. You can't move too jumpy. Me never ask them for drinks, you know. And them a carry drinks go and give me. And you a jump up and take it.
I'm be thirsty.
No, but friendly for your heart, your belly that you. But a drink that the drink say belly out you down.
But I don't think of them.
What do you mean you don't think of them?
No, sir.
You
Because
see some
them
tricks
auntie
them
not go
around.
do that and my cousin not go do that.
They always say don't trust your own hair. Tell me I tell and ask me ask you.
That's true still.
You need to calm down yourself.
Then if you calm down yourself.
Papi show you take me for. Stop laughing man. Papi show you take me for. When me talk man, you just listen to me say. And don't try like you want to grow anything. Yo, continue squeeze the bum in my face. Yeah, man. Alright.
Nothing.
You alright?
Yeah, man, I'm great, man.
So you're comfortable and everything?
Yeah, man, I'm comfortable, man, and I'm all pray. How about that? Oh, yeah, joke. Yo. You know, so I know one of them. I feel like I don't know what I'm going on. All along, my woman left from yard and her belly good. But as she come and run, come and come force things for her, her belly start at her. She'll go to the bathroom. Where you see book on and read, me write it.
So what are
Remember
you
me a street
implying?
youth.
What are you implying? When you try to say me do something to my niece?
Don't tell her what me I tell her, you know.
You really feel some mother put something in her drinks for you and then my niece ask sweet and end up giving my niece.
A family are wicked here. That me I tell her.
You say if me be wicked, she will stay up here when she gets trapped in a salve and could get no drive.
I know
You
what you
understand?
want. When me I tell you, Fed, I know what you want to do.
What do you mean by that?
Yo, just stop it talking.
No, what do you mean by that? Me not understand you. You come, me I try to be nice with you, and you still want bully me in my house.
We run things are run with.
Auntie, give me a minute. Let me talk to you a little bit in the kitchen.
Hello. You soon finish? Eh?
You finish up and me a wash.
So you cook. Well, alright. Everything alright though?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So how is your friend them out there, sir.
Alright.
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cause me I wonder if, you know, if everything alright, if you just left no, right, and just go.
Soon go.
And tell me something. How you get mixed up with someone like that?
Money.
The
Money.
root of money is the root of all evil. Look
It's
for
sweet,
what.
though.
It's
Sweet,
sweet,
but it's not evil yet.
Jeez, I'm pity much. Young girl, you have to understand what you're doing, you know? Because you bring no this evil within my bones. You understand me? I say, I want to know that.
So you want me to go tell him so he bring evil in
No,
the house?
I don't.
Auntie, me tell her say, the man called me when Jody went to bathroom and go tell me say, oh, he like how me look and I mean him for your deal. Me I tell you, don't lie. I swear, and me I tell her say, he say like me look how me look and my bottom big and this. That's true, me I talk. Yeah, it's an answer. Yeah, and top of oil. I mean, I'm feeling with my cousin. I mean, as I'm going to the because me and my cousin like and woman love my cousin. I mean, I like this styling. Yeah. What that the man? Yeah. But me not make you able to tell Jody this guy Jody go up in her feelings. I'm at that point. When you pray me like that, I know say Jody and my cousin. I don't think man. He gonna pray anything. He never pray nothing positive. I'll be negative. Understand? But then again, we can't miss it because I remember see a bad man. You know what I think? You know? Oh, you ain't got it. Okay. So right now, if I look left, are you not see me? My God. I rather take a Uber and left this place. Me not tell them, you know. Come me not the bad man. So where you go? Where me figure? Your country? Where me come from? The same time. Me not care me call a Uber. Listen to me. You can't left the house. Where you want me done? Jody love myself. She know the type of man we have. Where you want me to do? Lift him up and carry him. Lift him up and then left the man. Me can't do that. She don't care. Me not care neither. Me leaving. Just do so when they see me. Me gone. I don't know if I tell her at this point. But Jody have me at risk right now. I'm being Jamaican right now. So how you feel good? Oh, you want me to be a god? Me a god? Me leaving. Me not staying. Huh? You're mad. Oh, you want me to never stay till I'm mad. Yeah. Relax. Free up yourself. Ain't gonna feel so reaction to me now. Sure. So we go to know.
My woman take so long to sort. What the man wife near?
See me going in bathroom there. Be careful. What me gonna do? I go sit down. You're going to leave me. I'm gonna stay down.
Hey, come on, man. We are talking, man. Eh? Why not do such a thing? But just let me know when you finish, alright?
We finish, man.
You finish?
We just go now.
Yes, I go now.
Then I know why my hand.
1 second, yeah?
You're right.
The towel them kind of dirty, but I have a white shirt for you.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you.
When you finish, you can just put it on the place, yeah?
Alright.
So you finish now, yeah? Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, go on.
Alright.
Over man voice near, so I think I'm here all the man. Yo.
What, see, thing good?
There man, I know say no the man there. I think I'm here all the man there.
Yeah, man, it's like, say, me there, man, but me just this some work, you know? Everybody I take good care,
Hold
right?
on. Come show me my talk. You say I'm going now.
Yeah, say, they might take care of it, they might get the drinks for that fridge, right?
Yeah, man, everybody good man, but me I say me never know say
Mm-hmm.
other man there.
Yeah,
Somebody
man.
never tell me about that.
No. You are going. I'm there, but I'm just some work. But how long you plan to stay, by the way? Just want to know that.
One night, my plan 50.
One night. Yeah, man, you're good, man. Just ban your thing, man. Big up yourself. Yes, sir. Just make sure them take good care of you, and that's it. Alright? You don't really have much to say to you right now. I don't know. So you mind tired, eh?
I get my paranoid, because when you know if you're there still, so kind of pray them the thing.
No,
like
man.
a setup.
No,
You just a father, you're there long
You're
time.
there, I sleep, I do some work, and you know, I'm there in that room, man. Everything good, man. What you said? Yes, sir. Man, as I respect. Yeah, man, cool.
I can't believe you. Me can't believe you. You really turn your woman to the future, you know?
You mean to know what we are talking about?
Hey, you see your balls you're letting me for today? Take it back. Me never want it. Take it back. Because guess what? We rather stay this year than if you take up that then on my hand. You hear? Your man or your mouse?
Yeah, I disrespect, I try to disrespect me.
No, your man or your mouse?
Who you call mouse? You think me Mickey Mouse?
Eh? A while ago, me hear the little young boy talk to you in the bathroom. Stop yarning when me talk to you. You can't yarn when somebody talk to you.
Yeah.
That's disrespectful because you're catching. The man talk to you in the bathroom and you talk like you have a vagina for true.
You know, don't disrespect me. Don't do that. Don't go there.
No, I'm not disrespecting, but I truth. I saw you behave.
So what you want me to do?
Listen, you go get up like the man you are and go out there and do something tonight.
Do what?
What you mean do one?
You think me I go take lick? You must man.
Hello.
If you want to spare your life, listen.
No, me no care what you want
you-
to say. Hello, this a fear us. A over us. Who Billy? Who work hard and build this year? Eh? Answer the question.
Me.
Exactly. So you go get up like the man you are. Think about something in your brain and then you go out there so go deal with it.
Why you haven't pushed me fire? You're abusive, you know.
No, I'm not abusive.
Eh?
But me have to put sense in your head because
Put
you
in
look
a
like
few
you all
head.
of your sense them gone.
Alright.
Me try your thing in and it work out.
Yeah,
you
listen
know.
to me, say, you know, listen to me, say.
Go on.
You chat for about half an hour, me there listen to you. And you can't tap chat. That's a problem with you. You just go on and on and on like a recurring decimal. Eh? Alright, what we are going to know? Well, what me want to do is this. Tell you out there still. Your next cousin.
Mm-hmm.
Tell her, say we plan to grab them and tie them up. Me have one rope under the counter in the bathroom. Someone you take a rope and carry in the kitchen. When you carry in the kitchen now, we are trying to see if we can tie up the little one first. Right? Oh,
How if you type a look one first? Then the man now go grab off one away.
that's
And
true.
strong one away.
That's true.
We
All
have to grab the man
him
first.
Alright, so we grab him first, tie him up. But you still have to grab, come you know, I show son of cousin. The little one.
You know, say, me no know. Probably a jacket.
Alright, so what you're going to know is this. We are going to go out there and we're going to make sure so we grab him, tie him up, and then we call police.
No, you're talking. And you got the balls now.
Yeah, man, come back, man. Be true. You know, feel proper. How are you doing it?
You have to have a woman. You have to stand up.
Come here.
You have to like say, I don't have to go more. You have to remove in a place for you.
The minister I'm strong side of you. Look how I'm strong.
I'm a fuck. Just let me know what I want to speak off. Just tell them they want to
Myself. Hey, my man want sheet to cover with.
What's wrong?
Get out. Idiot.
Sheet. You know, man, stay ready.
Come on, guys. Go out on the kitchen.
Sheet.
Come out on the kitchen.
I want to go
It's
carry.
in there, I chose.
You
Alright.
know, see a yam for true. You yam, you.
Money sweet.
So you prefer money than your happiness.
Yes, sir.
And you know you're afraid of the man. You know.
Then what happened? Me I take the bus ass now and then.
My granny always tell me, say, what sweet nanny goats, I'm gonna run them there.
Well, my belly just run me a while ago and it done now. So I want the sweets. Sheet coming and want him come out here.
You sure you done?
Why no? Me I come with the sheet.
Or up now.
Put a finger
You
down.
get the sheet.
Oh, you up now.
You get the sheet. Go Nisi, wind that ass.
Are you happy with him?
Alright. Never get the rope.
Oh.
And so they want sheep, so me carry sheep, rope. So carry that. Oh,
Tell me something. He look like he have no pipe on him.
If he did have that pan him, he would have deal with me with it from man. From when time he just come, I'm attacking, he would take out the pan, he don't have that pan him.
Alright. So I say you walk around with the rope?
You go walk
give me the rope.
No.
So where you put me a body for? Me don't understand where you put the rope on your body. You want to put it?
Okay, so you're too old and
You be for money?
Maybe you and don't do that. So when you put the rope in this and now, when you can go give them, how you go give them a rope on the sheet now?
Me not give them no rope and no sheet. Me go grab them and then we tie them up with the rope. You don't understand? So what you plan to do? Make them cover up first?
Go on. Come on.
What you plan with you have?
My plan is you go under with this and Jesus and wicked, you know?
You know how come? Yeah, right? Yeah. So me done. See sheet, I know. I want respect, man. So, you know, I just want to sleep and I push the chair together because normally they might put the chair together. But that chair that was there, so me I say better not put it together. Yeah, man, so put it together. Guys.
You want me cousin? Okay, I mean, so no wicked
after you do it, you come in and play cool like everything good.
You must have been from the little tree.
Hello, officer. Yeah. But I've two coming right now. Most wanted, hopping on. Yeah, my wicked girlfriend. Yes. I will go again. Dollar sign. 323. Bullet. Proof. Vest Avenue.
No, not Vest. Avenue.
Avenue, sorry. Yeah, when you company me and I go see one plaza. You take a left. Alright. I live by her
Right there.
right there.
It was a million from me.
Hurry up, now, fight. We can't hold them too long enough. Alright, hurry up. Yeah.
What?
Man. No.
To subscribe is free.
Alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end. Alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. Hey, I may say, alright then, thank you, you've made it to the end, yes. Alright then, thank you for the time that you spent. Big up yourself, thanks for, you know what I mean, watching the video to the entirety. I'm going to say entirety mean down at the end. So give thanks and, you know, thanks for there so. You could have anywhere else. So, you know what I mean, just one more second, I beg you know, share it out, send it out. I make them know, say you watch a movie, you like it. All right, comment and tell me, say, you know, public, you know, you can do so and so and so and so. Because guess what? I'm a work in progress, yeah.
To subscribe yet.
They say I won't make it if they can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you. Jah run my soul. Yeah. They said I wouldn't make it 'cause I love my own lifestyle. Oh no, 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 I couldn't fake it. I'm too real and that's my style. John 15, I will stand up. Now drop no standard just for please, yeah. Soon you are go hear the youth from south so high. They said I wouldn't make it, trying to put me under mind control. They said I wouldn't make it if I didn't plan to sell my soul. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you. Jah runs my soul. They said I wouldn't make it 'cause I don't do what they do. They said I wouldn't make it, there's no place for people like you. They said I won't make it, but it's not their choice to choose. I've got news for you. Jah is in control. Yes, I've got news for you. Jah runs my soul. News, news, news. Jah is in control.